All right, so we're going to do a little bit of guided practice. This is the equation that we're going to start out with. 8 plus 14 divided by 2 minus 3 minus 1. Carter, what are we going to do first?
3 minus 1.
3 minus 1, and why are we doing that first? Because it has parentheses. So what is 3 minus 1, class? 2. So again, I would cross that out until you get used to these types of equations because you know you're done with it. What's next, Madison? Okay, what do we have to do before that? What do we have to do before that? Bring everything down. So I'm going to bring everything down. Colton, what's next?
14 divided by 2.
Excellent. Why is 14 divided by 2 next?
Because it's the next step.
Very good. Multiplication and division comes next, and we're working left to right in the equation. Trista, what is 14 divided by 2, baby? Use your multiples of 2 to get there. Excellent. Okay, so now we have 14 divided by 2. We can cross that one off. What do we do next, Kelsey? Bring everything down, right? So now we have 8 plus 7 minus 2. What comes next, Austin? 8 plus 7. What's 8 plus 7?
It's
15. We're done with that, so we're going to do what? Bring it down. And what, class, is 15 minus 2? 13.
Oh, I got it right.
Now, even when we are using a calculator, we have to follow the steps, right? So when we're using the calculator, we do it one step at a time. Right? Okay. I forgot an eraser. You have a basket. That's an eraser. All right, let's look at the next guided problem. Little bit more complicated. You can number this number 2 in your guided practice. This one's a little bit longer, so I'm turning my board. So we got 4 times 3 divided by 2 plus 1 plus 2 times 6. Thumbs up when you have it written. You good, Lucas? Will? Not yet. Go. Okay, Johnny. What's our first step, baby doll?
You 4 times 3.
Excellent. Why? Do you remember what step that is? Parentheses. Very good. All right, class, what is 4 times 3?
12.
12. What do we do to this 4 times 3 now?
Mark
Mark it out. And then what?
Bring everything down.
Bring everything down. Kelsey, do you know what's next, baby?
12 divided by 2.
Perfect. First come, first serve, right?
Yes.
And class, what is 12 divided by 2?
6.
6. What do we do to 12 divided by 2?
Mark it out. Mark it out.
Mark it out, then bring it down, right? Will, what's next?
2 times 6.
Excellent. Why not 6 plus 1, Colton?
Because multiplication and division comes first.
Perfect. What's 2 times 6, class?
12.
What do we do to 2 times 6?
Mark it out.
Mark it out. Then I heard bring down. Dalen, what's next?
You add 6 plus 1.
Perfect. Okay. 7. Mark it out. Bring down. Morgan? 19.
Oh, I got it right.
Great job.
Yeah, I didn't want. I did it before, and I actually got it right. I got
Excellent.
19.
Does everybody have that complete in their journal so I can write the next equation for you?
Yes.
Thumbs up if you do. Okay. This one's going to be a little bit bigger. This one's independent. So you're going to do this one on your own, and then we're going to discuss your answers. Okay? Let's see if I can really throw you a challenge.
I bet we can figure it out. Smart. We always do.
Okay, thumbs up when you've got it written. All right, as soon as you've got it written, start working through it.
The 12 minus 4 is supposed to be in parentheses. Look at the way it's written. Remember the last example when we took out the parentheses to see how different it would be? Kind of like a nervous. That's a plus one. Divided by, not subtracted. Great job. Right on. This should come down here. And 4 plus 7 is not that. So we'll try to count again. Start with 7. Count up.
Alright, it looks like we're all on the right track. The only errors I saw was copying the problem wrong. All together on 3, what's the answer? 1, 2. Hey, I didn't count to 3. 1, 2, 3. 11. There we go. Alright, one more and then I'm going to let you break out to your stations.
Alright. Can we do one with exponents?
Nope, that's not till 6th grade. Alright, go. Make sure you copy it down correctly or it's going to mess up your answer.
Kind of scared for this one.
Okay, so make sure you're following this order, right? Follow this order to solve the problem. That's okay. You can take that out of the baggie while you're using it, right? You're just going to put it in the baggie when you turn it in. That one's fast. Remember, this needs to come first because this is left to right, right? This comes first left to right, so we're going to do that one first. And then this one. Okay? Perfect. Okay. Look at your order of operations. Parentheses, we don't have any. Exponents, we don't have any. Multiply or divide, first, left to right, right? So which one comes first? Yeah. So, start this. So which one are you going to do first? Okay. Let's worry about that first before we worry about putting stuff down. Okay, I'll cross that off. Minus. No, get rid of that. You just use it, remember? That's why you cross it off. This is 10. Times 6. Okay, so now you've got subtraction and you've got multiplication. What comes first? Right? So what is that? Okay. Cross it off. Bring this down. Minus. Now what's your answer? Perfect. Let me know when you're done.
multiply or divide, first come, first served, left to right. So what would come first? Go to your fours and find 40. All right, 1, 2, 3.
60.
Excellent job. Excellent job.
You guys must get it.
All right, so real quick for the recording. What did you do first?
40 divided by 4, which is 10.
40 divided by 4, which is 10. Cross that out. Bring down the rest.
And then 10 times 6 is 60.
10 times 6 is 60. And the answer is 60.